The power of turmeric on your body. Turmeric possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties and acts as a potent antioxidant, which explains its historical use in ancient times for preventing and treating various ailments. In recent decades, turmeric has maintained its popularity among natural health practitioners, thanks to its exceptional healing properties. It has become a go-to resource for promoting well-being. One significant health benefit associated with this ancient herb and its compounds is their capacity to effectively reduce inflammation. 1. Reduces inflammation. When the body faces an infection or stress, inflammation is a natural defense mechanism. However, if left uncontrolled, it can have detrimental effects on the body. One natural method of managing inflammation is through the consumption of turmeric. At the core of turmeric's benefits lies curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. 2. Lessens pain. Studies indicate that the consumption of turmeric extract may offer relief from pain associated with osteoarthritis. This positive effect is primarily attributed to the presence of curcumin in turmeric. Instead of relying on pain relievers such as ibuprofen and aspirin, opting for turmeric supplements is a healthier alternative. Furthermore, it helps avoid the gastrointestinal side effects that can arise from prolonged use of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. 3. Reduces free radicals. Free radicals are responsible for oxidative damage, which in turn accelerates the aging process. Excessive exposure to free radicals can disrupt fats, proteins, and even the DNA within the body, potentially leading to various diseases and heart conditions. Antioxidants play a crucial role in preventing long-term cellular damage, and turmeric is abundant in these beneficial compounds. Now let's explore the connection between turmeric and heart disease. 4. Lowers risk of heart disease. Scientific research indicates that turmeric possesses the ability to reduce the risk of heart disease by enhancing the function of the blood vessel lining. This improvement contributes to the regulation of blood pressure, blood clotting, and other crucial factors associated with heart health. Furthermore, turmeric can assist in lowering the levels of harmful cholesterol in the body. 5. Helps treat skin conditions. Turmeric's impressive antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties make it a potential treatment option for various skin conditions such as acne, eczema, photoaging, and psoriasis. Specifically, it aids in wound healing and has a calming effect on pores, which can help reduce acne. Moreover, turmeric has the ability to prevent scarring. When using turmeric topically, it is advisable to consult with a dermatologist to avoid potential allergic reactions, as some individuals may be sensitive to it. Additionally, it's important to note that the vibrant color of turmeric can stain the skin. Spices play a crucial role in enhancing the culinary experience. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.